Sandalwood fish 5 pieces. First, smear the fish with turmeric and salt. Then fry the fish well with oil in a pan. Now take out the fish. Chopped onion ½ cup. Lightly brown the onion in a pan and fry it with a little water. Add turmeric, chili, coriander powder and salt to taste and fry the spices. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Pepper powder ½ teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Salt to taste. Cover and cook for a while. When the spices are roasted, cook the fish in it. At the end of all, take down with pepper. Green chilies 4 or 5 pieces. That's it for today. If you found out the videos helpful, then hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay home, have a great day ahead.